Police peoples, they don't catch one workman for Douala Seaport. Plenty tear gas, it throw to this early morning time for inside Douala Seaport day. Now after we dey so, work people then for that seaport, they be make mash for seeker say work condition in no the pass fine. Inside Tori for this afternoon, we go turn back for that side so for Bafang. Now for talk as way police people them they catch 4 people them, 2 picking them where they dey inside Binet for Banga, man wey SSF na the look at am and another man wey na SSF e the chop the thing. The Tori then so plus even condition for road for place where they call am say Pendamboko, Koto and even Matuke under Banga subdivision. We go talk am for now for this afternoon. Big part talk editor we say waiting say no be na for sika say dem the mix corn and groundnut for one place na we corn e go member say dem fit also use it to make soup. No be na for sika say waiting dey the mix corn and groundnut inside one place na we corn too e go the member say dem fit use it cook soup. Na coach Aisi Dominic for Tico side e send with big part talk. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon again, country people them. We glad for meet up una last time for inside number 5 day for 2000 last 5 for inside number 5 week as soon as I be today na Friday. Tori for this afternoon we go start now with the way pass for Douala here. Now small picking back that we meet up for place where they call am say Douala Seaport the morning time. Now work people then that or then they run for back that smoke wey dey see and so na only tear gas wey police people they don't throw am wey they be want and say work people then say make they comot. This work people them since some morning time today they don't make mash for seeker say waiting for seeker say their work condition in no turn fine. For seeker that one police people them or work people them they be full up for before seaport the morning time for talk say e don too much. After they before get first ndongamen e no be waka fine. 9 wey they don't come out again, 8 day wey they don't give letter for big people them say if they no talk better talk they go enter back again for roads. Now so 2 big people they take and make play on top. 8 day e pass one time they enter for day. They say condition for work e no dey fine. Even money wey they get for pay them e no correct at all. All that one they so 9 way e dey so the work people them they be declare police people them say they no be left them. I say police people they throw away tear gas. All work people them one way they get for lock their nose they lock am. One day wey they no be fit for lock their nose well they be using our water for so wash their face. See all that size already white now so tear gas wey police people they throw am for them. All that one they so now for make the work people them for seaport where e dey so they make mash for comot. You see no now container than that for that tear gas wey dey so we show and so for na container than that. And apart from this container where we see and so we say make una see am even bullet e be dey the one na container for tear gas. That one na small container for tear gas wey dey waste am today for on top the people them for that side for seaport e be dey na different thing. I say e be dey na different thing na so they be dey plenty. If you go for there now sef so you go pick and see bullet. You dey see bullet na still bullet that way they use how they be shoot pour for people them na live bullet that no na even sef say na bullet wey na live bullet than that. You dey see no na thing than that way police people they use am today only for say they wan comot workman. See na workman skin that you dey see workman hand. You dey see am see hand see belle una see it happen na go say Cameroon well people the way they the one ask for their right na way they do all the thing dem so for their skin. Na Douala yes na the thing that they pass for inside Douala here for seeker say work people they be the talk say they want to say make they make their condition better. Anyhow we go turn back for that chapter. We go turn back for the anyhow it wan be if no be today tomorrow or even for Monday we go turn back for inside that chapter. Make we enter now also for different palaver for inside Tori we take una go for place where they call am say bang or Bafang. Yes, for Bafang side we go talk na so work wey police people they don't do am. That one na better work for help we country people them for that side for Bafang. Sabi say when they smoke that strong cigar, it make them self the decrease. So make we enter for inside this other tori for Bafang side for talk say big commissioner for that side so for Bafang wey e dey in charge for national security self. Them too they don't do their own work wey they be get for do am. For say make they look out the country people them for inside Bafang so they out in Iwaka fine. We dey na for before. They waiting the cash. Na banga. I say na banga. You see the one no? You get one way they say, one way they plant am, and one way they smoker. You understand? So now when this way they already prepare, where they feel smoker in the better. The one now one way see they small pikin wey they come out. So now investigative police will they make and sote after they put hand for 4 people them. You see them no? That 2 small pikin them na one the way they make the binet. This pa to na man to way in the smoke. Then another man na man way the look out the plantation. So all the so now they catch them with this banga. Then so see that big one. That one a better chop for some people. They know. See container now only dey inside. The other one too now so dey for inside. See the one plenty. The one so now one way if you knock sell like some 1 year. Now Oga Fandai, commissioner for that side so for Bafang, he make the investigate. He make investigate so they last. He put hand for that 4 people then. Now so they answer question. They drink smoko water gari for back counter. For answer why way they be get for duty way country don't deny say make they no do am. Banga, you the smoker. Then you even look out even pikin also make it big. So that you take am again, you make a smoke. The way you smoke, you get boma hat. Any man will meet up and for road, you talk for it. Anyhow. We take una go for place where they call am say mile 4 for Limbe. The one na social uniform man. Yes, first 3 story them for this afternoon na social uniform palava. This motorway Tombosa so for mile 4. Na Kamamburu man na policeman get am. According to what we hear, if you don't dream him, but so he reach for some level, then he dey run. Motor reach for my 4, Tombosai 1, Tombosai 2, Tombosai 3. Policeman come out for windscreen, wash. He come out for outside. So this policeman, Papa got a look out and so he no be die. Yes, he no die. The wound is there for his skin. As why they talk now, so policeman. A day for Limbe, my 1 hospital. They pass the drip for his skin, E1. They pass the injection, E1. They drink medicine, E1. And he hand, tie for air. So all that one they so now for E1. That one now for talk say, you way the talk say make man no dream mimbo. He drive. You say the dream mimbo drive. Where you no correct. He no correct. If you know for dream mimbo, if for drive fine. They dream mimbo. It dey run like Demon Lewis Hamilton. The feel say na Formula 1 race be the runner. Make we hear person wey e be for Baghdad accident motor he talk for we.
Happened for my phone. I be there for a back. So as the man start down with the motor, I be there for a back. Miss control. Can't jam this side before it promote to windscreen. The other side, but the other man nothing not happen with. We did 2 of them, then we carry to us for hospital. Yes, we will descend. Are they for their back? Come, no, the man is no, you know, about back. Just getting approaches. It's more wounded. The other one, then they take him to hospital. Accident.
Yes, he be there right for back. He be they follow them. Kunya. So till the accident happen, he says he help for give them small help for take them go for hospital for my 1. Big thank you, Job Desiree for that side. So for Limbe. Now so make we talk so far away people the way they she down for places that they call and say Pendamboko, Koto, Matuke, all them so for under Banga subdivision. Roadway they pass on top. Now come and see. Make we enter for that road. I say na wonderful thing. Road where the people they pass on top na different thing. Road e don rotten. So tell na Okada people they say they don't talk say better as soon as them dey suffer. Make they can't dig. carry sand flop and then open to other place so the water fit pass. They say the road e don turn up for day since. They don beg oga mayor. See how okada people dey suffer. You wey you wan enter for okada for pass on that road for go for Koto or for go sell for Matuke or for Pendamboko. Why? E go hear bad. For sika say wey no dey. Okada people they don't try all way for meet up DO or for even meet up with mayor for Banga. Say make they can see as way they fit help them for the road. But when no dey, all people that they pass, you must to take food for up, or you let their food them for inside, or they push a Okada too. When you see they don't start push Okada, sabi say wowo. Yes, it means say it don't bad. Condition it don't wowo. So when you see Okada they push am for inside water, it means say that hole na mami water hole. Yes, na mami water hole. Now suffer this way people they suffer. And if they know for can dig and so, she don't say that the way say men governor come, governor no this also come. Particularly people the way they represent governor say from Banga subdivision. But we know they, where you know they. So Okada people they say that they say okay, may they open road so that may water pass. Then they see which way people the way they represent governor for inside Banga subdivision they feel for do. And as I be say big man say for up, it is here. Nothing this will get for doing for with people then so that they go understand. Say no, governor they really follow them up for all three they do. Make we hear this with brother. It tell we side with this road. It the work as you go.
If you go from here, right for Penamboko, right for corner water, you see that only Okada them. They really feel seriously. Now that they pass for the road every day, but since not even maintaining road for almost 7 years. Well, I think it say 7 years today. So if one go complain, they say na road to government. They say na municipality road. If mayor touch and they go lucky. If someone can fix and they go lucky. So now we say we don't tell them. We say we don't wake up. Or we Okada we don't say no. Better we not leave the road me dispose. So we go so and so we cry. Me government to the say and say.
Yes. So, bro, tell me. As I be say when you don't finish complain, you must to calm down. Your spirit go calm down. You don't provoke pass. You will provoke calm down. Waiting be a beg now.
The problem we get as if we see for the road now. Almost 7 years today. This for the roadway. We the syndicate them for inside this area. We don't even cry for council. Say me every give me send a digger spade. When we say we travel to fix our road. As I see also. We arrange community so any first Thursday for any month where we try we say we maintain the road them. If we see plenty track the one I see them that we Okada for this zone syndicate for see where we try we Chapel road we do Okada we don't beg council from Bangat we don't beg stay tired we even cry anytime everyone they come here we which they say a problem we don't say me they even help we for all kinds style me they give even a small gravel even a wheelbarrow spade where we say we try to maintain the road. You see we say we suffer we they pay kind control to go to when we say we suffer for see for road. So now we beg we even thank God as we don't come to today so we go really help we you go really carry take we cry me people they say we Okada for this side we try to make things meeting and be fine but they don't want to.
Yes, so now that one that sabi say even as we palava for roads na e dey for before place for Pendamboko, Koto, Matuke, all them they get better chop. Papa God don't help that people them. Apart from roads, e get other problem. Make we go back for that side so we talk. Cacao, egusi, plantain, cocoa, better ripe plantain, all that thing then so. Now where Papa God don't bless our that people them. Bed, see house. Chakara thing there for that side. Light in no day. Na generator. Water in no day. They try for use na boho. Where say now where someone they use am. The one them they know they even come on na come set. Now all the blessing this way Papa God don't bless. The people them for Pendamboko, Matuke, and even Koto. But for Sika say condition for life is also strong for them. Now what even small light before they see light na trouble. Water sep na borehole. If you know the borehole, you don't have for where you dey make small spot. Also wey be fit say if you carry water say water no dey there at all. So now they suffer that. Now suffer that for the people them for that side for Pendamboko, Koto, Matuke. Mami, tell me you suffer.
For the Matuke, the suffer plenty for water. we no get water, we no get light, we no know how we go do for the Matuke, with school, with college.
Yes, Ngomna yesterday it be start better work, and the better work when Ngomna be start na say they start with a fundraising. This one na money wey they want to keep am small for help people dem wey they dey for that side wey they don't run for sake of this palava wey dey happen for northwest and southwest. One day wey they don't run go for Nigeria, one day wey they don't run comot for their village wey they so dey for inside country. They start for contribute money, and yesterday they take sote 236,455,000. The one for southwest na woman dem for northwest and woman dem for southwest. They don't join gather. All that people they don't run for places like Balangi, Kwakwa, and the small places where they dey for inside Boya. Now every woman dem for Boya and Northwest, then too they say before governor one come, may they see as so they feel help woman dem, mommy dem, papa dem, pikin dem wey they don't run different places, even small pikin dem where they don't run go for different places and for sika this palava. One day where they run comot right for Mongondoy, only for them for cash don for Boya. They dey for Moya side. So women dem for northwest and southwest, they don't join, can't give the people them clothes. Sabi say they run, they no carry no cargo for their skin. Give them clothes, give them small thing them for say make they take manage life. Now woman the way they she done for that side so for Muya, and all them they run common for different village can she don live for inside Boya, Muya for that side so for Boya. So the one now the workways or other one that they already start do before governor say he go come put him up. For the money where they don't start take away yesterday, they say na Great Tango, he be head boy for that money. I don't talk say me and Great Tango say we get for talk so that we see as so that money fit work fine. So na picking them this way, all them so they don't run come up for different side, they don't run come she don't for inside Boya. So woman them for northwest and southwest they join, they say may they gather the woman them, may they see as so they fit for help them. One day they sick, give someone them clothes. As well they no be run for their place with the clothes. Now so they join can't help them because they say don't get your own small fine clothes for that side. So all the people they saw now one day they run come up for different sides. They did she done for that side so for Muya for inside Boya. We be meet up with some mommy we run now for that side for Mongondoy. It tell we own story for how we take run.
For backside. I was only here and gone boom. I enter for bush. I want to go so a slice. I saw again I want a fall. They put fire for my house. Now all that blood. I did for bush for 1 month. Without chop, without anything. They want bring me here sir, that day. They want shoot me for Mbaland. I know the ABC fight. All this. I don't glad to tell you they don't give me the blanket. Mongondoy. Or Nangoti. So people they died, 5 people they shoot them.
Yes. We be talk to with some sister them where they tell me their own story them for how we the money run reach for that side for Boya.
I've been a Sunday, I go meet church. So I was see, I just had the young people they want me to go inside church. Those are the one inside bush where small I was born inside bush. I don't want to come from my big master from Lindo. I go be for day 1 week. I come for as I can level. I come for a center. So I just want to any man. All the way they should now more can the one or the one they all have. They use now more cash. Any man just cut all the sound. It collapse. Even my model, if it collapse, you carry the wrong hospital. You go last go die in the hospital.
I said the can't go ever come at all with. He said when Papa be born, I will be the contributing them, job, clothes, you send her for Papa. It don't happen for me too. One day we just she don't so gunshot from nowhere. I'm in the whole village. We just shoot guns to pay lesson and wishing. Carry our things them, we carry everything to cross river Meme for go for bush or go heights. Yes, right from Bonge for Baba side. One just see one time my neighbor way near me, gone holy for a belly. He died. And she died for the whole day. He comes just before this, so come enter one camp, show and they chopping. And from there, wow, fear. Enter bush, stay. That we will camp for ourselves for Bokoso bush. From Bokoso pass through it now, foot. We can't reach right for Nchongi village. And then we take moto, we come into our family from Munyaye. We no be even no secret if it ever happen to you. I don't know our house there, our family, and if you know anything.
Yes. Now some people then that's where they say they tell with their own story as where they take enter for inside Boya. Now so we go talk palava for people then for votes, big man for people then for votes, Elekam as well as Sabim, Oga big man, Eric Esuse, and even the big man says where the local outing, Eno Abrams Ebe, all them they be there for inside Douala here, it be there the first work away Oga Eric Esuse. They make him since where they put it like a big man for Elekam. He can for can see the kind condition where it work people then for Douala, they work, and for here wait way it worry people their mind for inside Elekam for Douala here. So if it takes time, he hear all thing problem where they hurt them, palava money, palava even machine the way they don't own, all that one they so. Now way they so is she done, he won't don't game with them, they talk for it. But after they finish all thing, Oga Eric Esusem, he talks everything. Say time where they go decry, he don't finish. Now the new peoples they don't come. So all thing he go work a better for them. Sabi say on top the one, Oga Eric Esusem and Eno Abrams Ebem, all they say they don't promise a better day a day for before. Sabi say Elekam, he get strong vote where he get for happen and for this year. If they no change them, president their own vote, it go happen for this year. So na palava for say make they continue for tonton for see as well that people them inside the different place them the day before vote time it reach they start for do the work. Last story for this afternoon, Nandamba sabi say Super Eagle them for Nigeria. Then say they don't turn for inside Russia. This one now after we sabi say they get Ndamba this afternoon. Ndamba for this afternoon, Oga Obi Mikel and even coach Ganoro, they get for check as well they go win the Ndamba for say they remain for inside Russia. For Sika say they knock them today, now me say they go come out or for inside this Ndamba for that side so for Russia. So Super Eagles, it go the Ndamba with Iceland today. Yesterday when Asabi say Croatia, he catch Argentina, he give them 3-0 quiet. He no even ask them any question. So Ndamba then say the day for today, we get Brazil, we get for the Ndamba with who them Costa Rica. Now the first Ndamba that. Then after we go get Denmark, we go meet up with Switzerland. So now so then Ndamba then that we Serbia, he go meet up with Switzerland. Sorry, Serbia meet up with Switzerland. Now then Ndamba then that where they go happen today for World Cup. We sabi say team they like Morocco and Egypt, Saudi Arabia, Peru, they don't already come out them for Russia, even as they get last Ndamba then. Then other team they like Russia, Uruguay, France, themselves they don't already qualify for play even Croatia for remain for number 16 round for Ndamba for that side so for Russia. Now the story then that where we get them for now for this afternoon, come the people them make we enter for the story then when newspaper they carry them for today. The guidance post where a day for outside today, waiting there for a strong number. Make we enter for inside the guidance post for talk say waiting. Inside the guidance post, strong number for today, they try for tell we say Ngomna, it don't come out name them for 15 people that win and then they cause confusion for outside for people them for inside country here we fit get the guidance post. Okay, we go continue with the post weekend way it day for outside. The post weekend way it day for outside today. Country people them make we try for enter for the post weekend that way day for outside. Sabi say inside the post them say they get their own story them for talk inside the post weekend they tell we saying governor it don't put 12 billion for help people that way they don't run. come out, and one day they don't come out for their village, but they dey for inside country for Sika this chapter for Northwest and Southwest. Now so to the tell we say palava for vote for get new president for country for Sika that one confusion. It don't enter for inside UPC party. As well some people them they say they want support Nkunkuma. So for inside the same the post weekend you feel it to him where it consign who them it consign as we it dey so some policeman says or driver them they talk say patcha day for road for Bamenda Kambem as we police people them they overnight them stick chop their money for that side. So other to read them it dey for inside the post weekend that way it dey for outside. We enter for the info newspaper today for outside today con the people them inside the info palava Northwest and Southwest it dey for them military peoples na them get hand for do anything way they get for do according to way Bajek Itok Colonel Bajek we na top man for defense ministry we Itok am. So for inside the info they say 160 teacher them it dey so when they send them for work for northern region they run enter for Sosongo. Now me say na devil work at them they need the ever reach or place where they work inside chapter for vote paper wey na 1,000 people dem say they subscribe for day e dey tell you say Oga Keremunam e don promise better thing dem if e enter for A2D e say wetin better sick condition for all man wey dey sick, better book condition for all man wey wan learn book, and better law for all man wey e get problem for inside law place. Na the thing that Oga Keremuna e talk am. Other thing dem say dey dey for the info wey you fit read am today. We get case for loss, make we enter for inside that case for loss way we get am today con the people them. Some boy wey they call it say Oru Ndubisi. Now I name that. This boy he get 35 years. He don't lost since for Sunday con the people them. And we dey hear say this pikin he dey talk fine for Queen Elisa Conti talk, and he dey talk small Emmanuel Macron Conti talk. They say na Oga Oku Johnson said he dey announce say Oru Ndubisi he don squale, he don run enter Sosongo. So any man wey he sabi this face or he don see himself for some side, make he take the tingly number one time. He start for Hapuna 652 53 not 2 92 694 674 94 5170 or you bring this pikin wey they call it say Oru Ndubisi for Tori House here for Equinox. Monsieur Oku John annonce la disparition de son fils, le nommé Oru Ndubisi, âgé de 35 ans. Depuis 2018, il était vêtu d'une pantacou et d'une tricot. Il s'exprime en anglais et un peu en français. Monsieur Oku John prie toute personne qui aurait vu ou hébergerait son fils de bien vouloir le contacter au numéro suivant 652 53 0292 674 94 51 70 ou les conduire à la radio Equinox. Make una no forget Saturday Pidgin News Debate 12:30 1:30 for Equinox Story House with the stranger them. We go turn back for some of the story that will happen for inside the week. We want to thank all the people them with the help me the week. A pass fine. Thank you plenty. Zefren Gondi. Thank you plenty. Nadine Guafo. Ambassador Sesep Editor Semedo that continue for follow Tori for this also for Equinox Story House. On a whole and tight.